Welcome back to Origami Videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this puffy bunny. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and we'll start by folding our paper in half. Next we will open it and we will fold it again in half. Now you will turn your paper around and fold it on both diagonals. And now you will bring the sides of the paper in, and this will be our starting position. We will fold the upper layer of the paper and we'll fold this side to the center line. And do the same with the upper layer on the other side. And we'll fold this point of the paper to the center line on one side. And also on the other side. Now we will fold the top point of the upper layer to this line and flip it over on this line. So just flip it over. Do the same on the other side, so bring it down and flip it over. And now we'll unfold the last step and open the pocket here and just stuck this part of the paper in, and do the same on the other side. Just like this. Now we'll turn our paper around and we'll fold this line to the center. And also repeat the same step on the other side. Like this. Now we'll open the bottom part of this paper. So we'll open it to this point. Just like this. And do the same on the other side. And now we'll fold this bottom line to the center line. Just like this. And the same on the other side. All we need to do is blow into the hole right here. And now we will open the bunny ears. And press the face of the bunny a little bit downwards. And this is how you make your puffy bunny. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next one and happy Easter. Bye!